Each time we savor fresh vegetables from our garden, we overlook a hidden treasure: the discarded leaves and peels. Most of us toss them aside, dismissing them as useless, yet they hold remarkable potential. Instead of discarding these scraps, we can turn them into something extraordinary for our plants. Today, let's transform these vegetable leaves into a potent liquid fertilizer with a simple process anyone can follow. Begin by collecting vegetable leaves. As you harvest fresh vegetables, save the leaves you'd usually discard. Once you've gathered enough, grab a 5-gallon bucket to kick off the process. Place the leaves into the bucket, packing them tightly. Push them down firmly to maximize space, ensuring the bucket holds as many leaves as possible. Once the leaves are in place, it's time to add weight, a crucial step for extracting the nutrient-rich liquid. Find a heavy item, like a clean rock or brick, and place it on top of the leaves inside the bucket. The weight should press down firmly while fitting snugly inside. If you don't have a suitable item, improvise with any clean, heavy household object. After adding the weight, cover the bucket with a cloth or a loose lid. This protects the contents from pests and dirt while allowing some airflow. Avoid a tight seal, as the leaves need ventilation during decomposition. Place the bucket in partial shade, away from direct sunlight, to keep the contents cool without leaving them in complete darkness. Now comes the waiting phase. Let the bucket sit undisturbed for 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, the weight will gradually press the leaves as they decompose. Be patient. The results will be worth it. The decomposing leaves release a concentrated, dark liquid packed with nutrients. This liquid collects at the bucket's bottom, forming the key ingredient of your fertilizer. Fair warning, the liquid won't smell pleasant. It's thick, potent, and quite pungent. When extracting it, prepare for the odor. Carefully remove the weight and pour the liquid into a separate container. Tilt the bucket gently to ensure you capture every drop. The remaining leaf material isn't waste. It's a fantastic addition to your compost pile, where it can continue enriching your garden soil. Before using the liquid, dilute it to make it safe and effective for your plants. Mix 500 milliliters of the concentrated liquid with 15 liters of water. This ratio ensures the fertilizer is gentle while delivering essential nutrients. Stir the mixture thoroughly to blend it evenly with the water. Once diluted, use a watering can to apply the fertilizer to your plants. Focus on the soil around the roots, where nutrients are absorbed most efficiently. Within weeks, you'll see healthier, more robust plants with vibrant growth. This liquid fertilizer provides nutrients like nitrogen and potassium, vital for plant health. Yes, the smell is strong, but it fades quickly once diluted and applied. To manage the odor during the process, keep the bucket in a well-ventilated area. The temporary smell is a small trade-off for the fertilizer's immense benefits. This fertilizer is especially effective during the growing season, boosting flower, fruit, and vegetable production. It's also excellent for revitalizing depleted soil, giving it the nutrients needed for new growth. Regular use will transform your garden, enhancing the quality of your produce. The simplicity of this method is its charm. There's no need for expensive materials or complex steps, just vegetable leaves, a bucket, some weight, and patience. This age-old gardening practice remains just as effective today. Next time you harvest vegetables, don't discard the leaves. They're a valuable resource with the power to transform your garden and yield bountiful harvests. By embracing these steps, you're not just creating fertilizer, you're adopting a sustainable gardening approach that respects and utilizes every part of the plant.